Hi, this video is to show how to replace or adjust this diamond disc. So the first step is removing this black outer cover that helps us line up our electrode. So I grip on the pilot and the top, and I'm going to turn this lefty-loosey, which is going to allow it to come up. Now you'll notice we won't be able to completely remove it because of how it interfaces with the pilot. So what we're doing is we're exposing this gnarled piece here. Now if we spin this, nothing's going to happen. It's going to require us to push and hold that button down. So I'm going to slowly turn it until it fully seats. See that again? So right here, as I spin it, it's going to let me push it all the way down. And now this won't spin. So now when I spin it, it's actually going to loosen that up all the way. And so let's say we have to put in a new diamond disc, and this is our new diamond disc. We're going to dexterously stick it into this hole. In fact, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to drop it into this hole like this, and then I like putting my finger in just so it doesn't move around on me, and I'm going to drop that in so it's fully seated. Repeating the same step, I'm going to push down on that nub until I rotate this and it drops in all the way, and then I'm going to tighten, I'm going to tighten this while applying that pressure on this this catch release, and so when I'm tightening this, it's not going to come loose anymore. Now this should spin freely because we've released that. And then finally we're just going to screw this snugly. So as soon as we feel some resistance, we're going to stop. If we do it too much, then we can break the threads, and that won't be a fun day for us. So now, looking through this window, we should see that it's in the center or slightly above this center slit here. If you have any more questions, please let us know.